Hiya! Welcome back. Today I wanted to treat myself by eating something nice, so I made these crispy fried coconut shrimp. If you're looking to impress your guests or your family by making these, keep watching. Let's start out by soaking our shrimp in some water. So I have to go ahead and peel and devein my shrimps. I got a second bowl to add my clean shrimp, in which I will add some lemon juice and some water. And yes, I did take the seeds out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna butterfly my shrimp. I'm gonna slice it, but not too deep so that I don't cut it in two. I don't want to make two halves. Go ahead and peel your shrimp, but don't take the tails off. Devein your shrimps like so. It's easier to watch than to explain. I'm going to show you again. Slice the back of the shrimp, not too deep. We don't want to cut it in two. Peel your shrimp without taking the tails off. We will need them. And then devein your shrimps. The veins are usually orange, brown, yellow. It all depends on what kind of shrimp you have. We are butterflying the shrimp so that they can sit up on their own like so. In order to skip the cleaning process, you can just buy peeled and deveined shrimp in the grocery store. Just make sure that you're buying uncooked shrimp. Toss your shrimp around in the lemon water, and then we're going to drain the water. Let's prepare our seasoning mix. I'm going to use some black pepper and some Cajun seasoning, as well as some garlic salt, some complete seasoning, and some plain salt. Mix well and feel free to use your favorite seasoning or the seasonings that you have at home. Our seasoning mix is ready, so let's add some to our clean shrimp. I added about a teaspoon and a half. Mix well and set it aside. Let's prepare our coating station. Start off by preparing your egg mixture. You're going to need 1 egg and some milk. Beat it until the egg and the milk are well combined. We're gonna make some seasoned flour using flour and some of the seasoning mix that we made earlier. Mix it well and set it aside. For the crispiness, I'm choosing to use crushed cornflakes, but you can also use breadcrumbs if you don't have cornflakes. I added the cornflakes to a Ziploc bag and I started to crush it with my hand, but it wasn't fine enough, so I moved on to using a rolling pin. I will also be using some freshly grated coconut. Mix the coconut in the cornflakes until it looks like this. Our coating station is ready and I am super excited for these shrimp. We're first gonna dip our shrimp in our seasoned flour, then in our egg mixture, then our coconut and cornflakes. Let's begin the process. We're gonna dip our shrimp in the flour, we're gonna press it in and make sure that it is well coated, and this is where our shrimp tail comes in so we don't get our hands dirty. Shake out the excess flour, then add it to our egg mixture. Make sure that it is well coated as well. Then add it to our crispy flakes and press it in as well to make sure that it is well coated. We need a nice layer of crispiness. Oh, that looks so good. Set it aside now. Let's repeat this process together, and don't forget you can find the exact ingredients and measurement in the description box below. If you enjoy my videos, be sure to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up. And if you know somebody that loves shrimp, be sure to share this recipe with them. I went ahead and coated all the other shrimps off camera, and then I set my plate in the refrigerator while I prepare the sauce. To make this sauce, I used some mayonnaise and some sweet chili sauce, as well as some Sriracha sauce for some heat, as much as you can handle, and to finish, some ketchup. Mix well until there are no more lumps and that our sauce is smooth. Just like this. Then set it aside. Get your frying pan and add your frying oil to it. Turn on your heat on high. I use the wooden spoon trick to know if my oil is ready. And it is indeed ready. So I'm gonna add my shrimp to the hot oil. I fried my shrimp in 2 batches, and don't go nowhere now. Stay right there because it goes super quick. In like 3 to 4 minutes, your shrimp will be crispy and ready. After about 4 minutes, mine were ready. They were golden and crispy, so I took them out. If you want your shrimp to be a bit darker than this, be sure to let them go for an extra minute. Now I'm gonna add the second batch of shrimp. Let them fry nicely until golden brown, and then we're gonna take them out. Let's try to create a fancy plate for our shrimp because we eat with our eyes first. I added a bowl in the middle for my sauce, and then I placed the shrimp around it. To finish, I garnished and I enjoyed. There you have it, guys, our crispy fried coconut shrimp made by yours truly. Subscribe for more videos I post every Sunday, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you will make this recipe. But first, listen to this crunch. As always, cook at home and cook with love. See you next time.